quick star, welcome back to my channel. So today I present to you the power of makeup inspired by none other than Nikki Tutorials here on YouTube. I wanted to share my transformation of the power of makeup on my face simply because I am a boy that loves to wear makeup. I just want to let all of you know that makeup is no different than what you wear, the food that you eat. It is a form of expression, it is your personality, and makeup does come off at the end of the day. I just want to let you guys know that. I want to let you guys know that I love you and it's okay to be yourself. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you like this, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you guys like this, and let's get right into the tutorial. Whose phone was that?
That was yours.
No, it wasn't. So first off, we're going to start with this eye because, you know, the eyes are the window to our soul. So I'm going to take my Desio contacts, my favorite contacts ever, in the color Innocent White, and apply this in my eye. So first I'm going to take my Dior Air Flash Foundation and spray this all over the face using my Sigma Duo Fiber Powder Blush Brush in F15. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer and apply that all under the eye. We want to trick people today. This concealer is amazing, it's full coverage, and it's really, really light. And I'm in the color Medium Neutral. And this is what it should look like. It's very highlighted and fierce. And I'm going to blend this with the Morphe G2 brush. Next, I'm going to take a powder puff in my Airspun powder in the color Translucent Extra Coverage and pat this and set the eye immediately for that flawless beat slayed laid face. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Full Coverage Foundation in a flat top Morphe Angle brush, and I'm going to sketch out my brows and give it that really nice highlighted effect. Okay, so next I'm going to take the newest Morphe palette, the 35O palette. It's all warm colors, and I'm going to take these two colors right here, and I'm going to use this as my transition color for the base of my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take this burnt orange color on the side, all these corner colors right here, and I'm going to blend that into the socket lower than the colors that I used before. Next, I'm going to take the center color on the bottom row on a Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to put this in the socket crease of my eye. And you just want to blend for days. Blend, blend, blend. Yes, slay. You want to go for that sultry, sexy look. You know what I'm saying? You just want to keep on blending until your arm falls away. Next, I'm going to take this cream matte shadow at the very top corner on this Morphe 35O palette on a flat brush and pat this all over the lid. Come through, lid. Come through. Next, I'm going to take the Enlarged gel liner and a MAC angle brush and sketch out a fierce fleek liner. This better turn out pretty. I swear to God. Lord Jesus, give me strength for this liner to turn out fleek. Next, I'm going to take my Shoot You More lash color and comb my lashes all the way up to Jesus. And I'm going to apply my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Next, I'm going to take my lashes in the style Vegas by Lily Lashes and apply this to my eye for that sexy, flirty flare. I'm going to stack another pair of House of Lashes Iconic to the ends to give my eye that sexy butt lift, you know what I mean? Next, I'm going to take a Morphe flat angle brush and I'm going to take this dark chocolate colors on the bottom here and I'm going to create a smoky lash line. Come through, smoky, come through! I'm going to take this color here, one of the first colors that we use, and I'm going to smoke out the lash line even more. I'm going to take one of my favorite mascaras, the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash, and coat the bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to take these NYX Cosmetic lashes. They're really, really wispy, and apply this for my lower lashes. Next, I'm going to take Jaclyn Hill's Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply that on the inner corner of my eye. Oh, we are almost done. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Medium Dark, and I'm going to knock off all of this powder that I used to set my face. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour shades, preferably all of them because I don't know which one to choose, and I'm going to contour my forehead. I'm going to contour my cheekbones. Yes, for this weight loss program. And right under the double chin. Yes. Now for blush. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe E3 blush and this MAC blush. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe E3 brush with this MAC blush Lovejoy and blush my cheeks. Next, I'm going to take this Makeup Forever foundation powder and highlight under the eye with this pointy buffing brush. Yes, highlight on fleek. Next, I'm going to use MAC Gold Deposit to highlight the face with a fan brush by Sephora. Next, I'm going to snatch my nose. It's rain! Ugh. Next, I'm going to snatch my nose using Earth and Fawn by Anastasia Beverly Hills with this brush by e.l.f. Why does my hand look like it's another person? And my favorite part, I'm going to snatch my nose with an exclamation point using Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill and Becca Cosmetics. She better work. Oh, there she goes. Yes. That was a little too much though. A little too much. Calm down. Next, I'm going to use this Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Caramel to snatch my brows and elongate the tail. Next, I'm going to take my favorite lip liner, Rimmel London Exaggerate Lip Liner, creamy and pigmented, and I'm going to let my lips really, really full. So next, I'm going to take this liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills called Seraphine and fill in my lips. We're almost done. And this is the finished look with the power of makeup. In the words of Hannah Montana, nobody's perfect. In the words of L'Oreal, 'cause you're worth it. I just want to let you guys know that it's okay to be yourself. Don't ever be afraid to share yourself with the world. Remember that life opens up when you do. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. I love you guys so, so much. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.